Expat friends, good morning. Welcome back. This is Sierra, and if you are new around here, you probably don't know, but today's video is the second ever video that I'm filming in my new office. If you've never been to the channel before, my name is Sierra. I'm an American who used to live in Japan, but our family recently relocated to the UK, and we've been in our house for a month or so now. Well, we've been settled in our house for a little longer than that, but we have most of our stuff in our house now, except it's all in boxes, and that video is coming at some point. But anyways, every week I make a video about my family's expat life in the UK, which is still hard for me to say, and I'm in my new office now, which is really just an extra room in our house. Nothing is unpacked, except I did actually find my little background that I packed in my suitcase. I know it's not perfectly centered, and I know the sound might be a little off in here and a little echoey for a while because all of my squishy things are still packed, but that's beside the point. Every week I make a video about my family's life here, the shenanigans that either I get up to or we get up to on the weekly. Anyways, today is a really exciting day. I'm sure you guys can tell by my demeanor that I'm really pumped because today is a day I'm finally getting to do something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and that is unboxing my first ever Lush kitchen subscription box. I'm super excited about it. Back in the day, I'm talking a few years ago, probably 2 or 3-ish years ago, the Lush kitchen was a special add-on to their regular product line. Every week they would make a handful of new products and sell them, and they're really difficult to get a hold of, and so Lush, to remedy that, they closed it for a while and they reopened it as this Lush kitchen subscription box. So I'm very excited to try it. Now, that being said, I am not sponsored by Lush or anything, but I do want to say that if you are interested in this subscription box, they're only £35 a month plus shipping. The shipping will vary based on where you are. I think it's like $3 or $4 if you're in certain parts of the UK, and it can be anywhere up to like $20 if you live really far. So all of that taken care of, now we're going to get into the subscription box. I'm very excited. There are supposed to be, I think, 5 or 6 items in the box. After you sign up for the box, every month you go on to the website and you get to vote which items you like and the ones you're thinking about making, and then at the end they tally all of them up and those are the ones they end up making. So let's see what's in the box. I have no idea what's in here. I've never opened one of these boxes before, so I don't know if the product is going to be like right there, but there is supposed to be a little instruction manual guide. I'm going to not look at it because I want to be surprised and I want to see if I recognize the product. Anyways, let's get into cutting the box open. I'm super excited. Oh, that didn't look very nice. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay, let's reveal what's in the box, but I'm not gonna look because I'm afraid. Oh, okay. Fresh made from the kitchen. What? Where's my... In all the other videos, you get like a cardboard thing that tells what all your products are. Maybe I opened it backwards, I don't know, but it has my bill with my billing address on it, and then I got a little Enjoy Your Lush Products thing, and it looks like inside is where it lists all the products now. Okay, so first item, ooh, I see a bath, ooh, I see blue. Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped. Okay, so let's just open up the first item. Ooh, this is cool. First item out of the box is beautiful. It is this, and I don't know what it is. It kind of looks to me sort of like the old Lord of Misrule, like speckly type thing, or maybe like the what was it, the Christmas Santa's grotto that had all the specks on it. But let's give it a little smell. Ooh, I don't know what this is, but it smells really good. I couldn't even tell you what I think is in it, but it smells incredible. So I wasn't gonna look, but now I really want to know what it is, so I'm just gonna look kind of like at the pictures and match them. So this bath bomb is called the Lakes Bath Bomb, and I don't know that I would say it smells like the lakes. Second sniff, I can kind of see why it's called the Lakes Bath Bomb. Okay, I'll give it to them. All right, main ingredients inside this guy are laudanum resinoid, Omanthus absolute, myrrh. That's why I'm getting that like kind of smoky scent. Every Christmas I usually use myrrh in a lot of like my essential oil blends because it's like, you know, one of the scents that they brought to Jesus. It also has Siberian fir needle, and that's it. So, ooh, this smells really good. I don't know if I've ever heard of the Lakes Bath Bomb before. I wish I knew like what all of these are, but just looking at the pictures, all of them except for one so far I haven't seen. So, oh, that smells so good. Okay, definitely a keeper. I cannot wait to take a bath with that one. I don't really need a bath tonight, but I might have to take a bath just because. Okay, moving on to the next item in the box. I'm just gonna pick one. It is some sort of bottle, and it is this. Oh, it's very blue. It is called the Old Blue Skies Kitchen Exclusive Shower Gel. Okay, Blue Skies. I don't remember Is this the same scent as like the Blue Skies Bubble Bar? Maybe? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. I could be wrong because I've only had one little like tiny piece of a Blue Skies Bubble Bar before, but ooh, it's got patchouli in there for sure. It smells really nice. Okay, so it is scented with patchouli oil, cinnamon leaf oil, olibanum resinoid, which is frankincense, and that's it. This smells really nice. I don't know that I would pick like blue. Like, I understand it's the Blue Sky scent, but it doesn't really smell blue to me. Do you guys know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh, it's just so good, and you can't stop smelling it. And I love anything with cinnamon, because cinnamon for me is just like one of those warming, cozy scents. And I feel like as I've gotten older, although I'm not that old, I really am into like the more spicy type scents, so this is gonna be really good. And I'm excited about the cinnamon because for me, cinnamon is a very warming scent, and I really like it in the fall and autumn. And actually in Yorkshire, it's starting to get a little cooler lately, which makes me a little bit upset. So hopefully this will warm me up a little bit when I'm in the shower. Okay, moving on to the next item. This is so fun. I love this box so far. Okay, next thing is this bath bomb. It looks like this, and I don't even need to read the packaging to know that this is the Sicilian bath bomb. The Sicilian bath bomb is one of my favorites. It's an oldie but a goodie. I remember the first time I tried it, it was a kitchen exclusive, and it's beautiful. It smells incredible. Oh, it smells just like I remember. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I voted for this one because as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, yes, yes. So I'm really happy it made it into the box. But I don't know if it's only lemon that's in it, but it is, let's see, also bergamot, neroli, Brazilian orange oil, Sicilian red mandarin oil, tangerine oil, and gardenia. Really? There's no lemon in it? Huh. Maybe they changed it. I could have sworn that it was lemon scented, but maybe my nose deceives me. But it's just so pretty. And apparently this one also has orange slice inside, which I don't remember the original Sicilian having orange slice in it. So maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe they changed it. I don't know. Woo, ooh, that's really fun. All right, next item in the box is, ooh, it's a lip scrub, and it is called Salted Caramel. Ooh, is this like the new Halloween one? I saw on one of the Lush Leaks Instagram pages, there's a new like lip scrub hanging out for Halloween. So maybe this is just an early release of it, but it looks really interesting. Let's give it a smell. I just want to see if it like actually tastes like caramel. It definitely smells like caramel. If it tastes like actual caramel, I will die happy. Let's see. Well, I won't die, but you know what I mean. I'll be really happy. Weird. Okay, you know what? I wonder if I'm just tasting bath bomb on here because, oh, that was dumb. Yeah, okay. Definitely taste the bath bomb coming through now because I was touching bath bomb. So maybe if I just like try to put a little in the back of my hand, I can try it again. Tastes pretty good. I like it. I still have the remnant of bath bomb flavor in my mouth. That was stupid. I didn't think about that, whatever. But yeah, it smells really nice. I'm guessing it probably has, of course, the jojoba oil, which is really moisturizing for the lips, and the castor sugar to get all of the yucky stuff off. So I don't know how they make it taste and smell like caramel. It's probably the cocoa powder that gives it that, but oh, it really does kind of smell like one of those like pumpkin-y caramel candles that I used to get from Bath & Body Works. So many memories. I'm so excited. Okay, now I think there's just one more item in the box. Let's see if you can find it. I'm not gonna have fun cleaning this up later. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Here it is. Okay, the last and final item is called Ice Blue, and it looks like it's a shampoo. Ooh, that's pretty exciting. Sorry, I wasn't focused at first. It says keep hair and scalp in mint condition with reviving washes full of tingle-inducing spearmint and peppermint oils. I'm gonna love this. It sounds like it's gonna be, to me, I know that there isn't spearmint in Intergalactic, I don't think, or there's not very much. It sounds like it's gonna be like Intergalactic-y scented, so let's see. Oh man, that is so good. Okay, can I drink this? I mean, no, but it is spearmint and peppermint oil and menthol crystals. So this is incredible. It's, as I said, it is cooling off in the UK, but this is going to be amazing on the really warm days because when I use peppermint shampoo, my scalp just tingles and feels tingles and just feels so good. And I think it's gonna be really nice in the winter as well because it'll be like that icy, like frozen type smell. Do you guys know what I mean? So I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna smell it one more time. Oh yes. So good. Okay, so I think that is the end of what's in the box. Oh wait, is there a cardboard thing down here? No, it's just the bottom of the box. For a second I thought that maybe the little cardboard thing that was in here before was in the bottom of the box. It's not. So anyways, yeah, that is the end of our little unboxing for today. I wish there was more stuff in here, and I know that usually when I do an unboxing I do a lot of things and you hear for a lot longer, but I'm really excited about all these products so far. My favorite is probably going to be the Sicilian or the shampoo. I don't know which one is better. They're such different experiences. Maybe if I smell them next to each other I can decide which one is better. The Sicilian for sure. I mean, I love the shampoo smell, but I don't know, it's something about the Sicilian, man. Anyways, that is the end of my little haul. As I've already said, I'm very excited about this kitchen box. I definitely want to do it again, especially because I know that the other boxes that are going to be coming out are going to be hopefully a fall box for either September and October, and then November, December are known for being kind of Christmas boxes, so I'm excited for that. Hopefully I'll get some exclusive products. Also, the last thing I wanted to say is that I've been shopping at Lush more and more. I know that you guys have probably noticed I don't do Lush hauls very often anymore. Like, I didn't even do like holiday hauls this year because there was so much craziness going on in my life with this move. So I think I'm gonna be doing that. I'll do it probably once every 2, 3, 4 months. I'll show you guys everything that I buy at my local Lush. Because there's a Lush literally 15 minutes walking distance from my house, it's very dangerous, and I feel like I can't walk past that place without going in, and it's to the point now where they know my name, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but they also know that like when I walk in I don't really need any help, even though they engage with me anyway because they're lovely. But they also know that I can't leave the store without buying something, so they're guaranteed a sale. So anyways, that is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this and you guys want to see more of these unboxings, please let me know in the comment section. Also in the comment section, let me know which item from my haul was your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.